There are two major types of fatty liver disease: alcohol-induced and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease affects nearly 1/3 of American adults and is one of the leading contributors to liver failure. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is most commonly diagnosed in those who are obese or sedentary and those who eat a highly processed diet. One of the main ways to treat fatty liver disease, regardless of type, is with diet. As the name suggests, fatty liver disease means you have too much fat in your liver. In a healthy body, the liver helps to remove toxins and produces bile, a digestive protein. Fatty liver disease damages the liver and prevents it from working as well as it should. In general, the diet for fatty liver disease includes lots of fruits and vegetables, high fiber plants like legumes and whole grains, very little added sugar, salt, trans fat, refined carbohydrates, and saturated fat, and no alcohol. A low-fat, reduced-calorie diet can help you lose weight and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Ideally, if you are overweight, you would aim to lose at least 10% of your body weight. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you 12 foods and drinks you should be eating for a fatty liver disease and 6 foods to avoid. We will also tell you additional ways to treat liver diseases near the end of our video. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing, and you will definitely find some of them surprising. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. For our already subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Now, without further ado, let's get into the few foods to include in your healthy liver diet. Number 1. Garlic, to help reduce body weight. This herb not only adds flavor to food, but experimental studies also show that garlic powder supplements may help reduce body weight and fat in people with fatty liver disease. Number 2. Coffee, to lower abnormal liver enzymes. Studies have shown that coffee drinkers with fatty liver disease have less liver damage than those who don't drink this caffeinated beverage. Caffeine appears to lower the amount of abnormal liver enzymes of people at risk of liver diseases. Number 3. Oatmeal, for energy. Carbohydrates from whole grains like oatmeal give your body energy. Their fiber content also fills you up, which can help you maintain your weight. Number 4. Greens, to prevent fat buildup. Broccoli is shown to help prevent the buildup of fat in the liver in mice. Eating more greens like spinach, Brussels sprout, and kale can also help with general weight loss. Try the Canadian Liver Foundation's recipe for vegetarian chili, which lets you cut back on calories without sacrificing flavor. Number 5. Olive oil, for weight control. This healthy oil is high in omega-3 fatty acids. It's healthier for cooking than margarine, butter, or shortening. Research finds that olive oil helps to lower liver enzyme levels and control weight. Number 6. Tofu, to reduce fat buildup. A University of Illinois study on rats found that soy protein, which is contained in foods like tofu, may reduce fat buildup in the liver. Plus, tofu is low in fat and high in protein. Number 7. Green tea, for less fat absorption. Data supports that green tea can help interfere with fat absorption, but the results aren't conclusive yet. Researchers are studying whether green tea can reduce fat storage in the liver and improve liver function. But green tea also has many benefits, from lowering cholesterol to aiding with sleep. Number 8. Fish for inflammation and fat levels. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, tuna, and trout are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids can help improve liver fat levels and bring down inflammation. Number 9. Sunflower seeds for antioxidants. These nutty-tasting seeds are high in vitamin E, an antioxidant that may protect the liver from further damage. Number 10. Walnuts to improve the liver. These nuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Research finds that people with fatty liver disease who eat walnuts have improved liver function tests. Number 11. Avocado to help protect the liver. Avocados are high in healthy fats, and research suggests they contain chemicals that might slow liver damage. They're also rich in fiber, which can help with weight control. Number 12. Milk and other low-fat dairy to protect from damage. Dairy is high in whey protein, which may protect the liver from further damage, according to a 2011 study in rats. Now let's get into 6 foods you should avoid. There are definitely foods you should avoid or limit if you have fatty liver disease. These foods generally contribute to weight gain and increasing blood sugar. Number 1. Alcohol. Alcohol is a major cause of fatty liver disease as well as other liver diseases. Number 2. Added sugar. Stay away from sugary foods such as candy, cookies, soda, and fruit juices. High blood sugar increases the amount of fat buildup in the liver. Number 3. Fried foods. These are high in fats and calories. Number 4. Salt. Eating too much salt can make your body hold on to excess water. Limit sodium to less than 1,500 milligrams per day. Number 5. White bread, rice, and pasta. White usually means the flour is highly processed, which can raise your blood sugar more than whole grains due to a lack of fiber. And finally, number 6. Red meat. Beef and deli meats are high in saturated fat. And now let's proceed to additional ways to treat liver disease. In addition to modifying your diet, here are a few other lifestyle changes you can make to improve your liver health. Number 1. Get more active. Exercise paired with diet can help you lose extra weight and manage your liver disease. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of aerobic exercise on most days of the week. Number 2. Lower cholesterol. Watch your saturated fat and sugar intake to help keep your cholesterol and triglyceride levels under control. If diet and exercise aren't enough to lower your cholesterol, ask your doctor about taking medication. Number 3. Control diabetes. Diabetes and fatty liver disease often occur together. Diet and exercise can help you manage both conditions. If your blood sugar is still high, your doctor can prescribe medication to lower it. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have 12 foods and drinks you should be eating for a fatty liver disease and 6 foods you should be avoiding. We have also seen additional ways to treat fatty liver disease. Which one did you find surprising and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply daily in your life. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.